Today we have a fun craft for you to complete with the help of your teacher or caregiver. We're making a pom-pom picture frame. To complete this craft, you will need a picture frame with a smooth, flat surface, pom-poms, and a hot glue gun. For this craft, you will need the help of a grown-up. Use a hot glue gun to attach pom-poms one at a time to the surface of your picture frame. To do this, put a small dot of hot glue on the frame, press a pom-pom on it, and hold it in place for a few seconds to secure it. Repeat these steps until the entire picture frame is covered in pom-poms. Ta-da! Here's the finished pom-pom picture frame. I hope you enjoyed this craft. I can't wait to see what you create. Bye!